Hi guys, are you in year 7, 8 or 9 and you're still struggling with two-step equations? Well, I've got the perfect way to help you remember how to do it. So let's take an example of 3x plus 4 equals 19. Now that x is just a number in your sum that's missing and you've got to work out what it is. And remember your inverses when you're solving equations. So if we take this question, 3x plus 4 equals 19, we've taken a number, we've times it by 3, we've added a 4, and that's given us 19. Our job is to work out what that number is. So the first thing we're going to do is take away 4 from both sides. So we do the inverse. What are we left with? We've got 3x equals 15. We don't want to know what 3x's are, we only want to know what 1 is. So let's divide both sides of our equation by 3. What does that leave us with? X equals 5. So the missing number in our equation was 5. Okay, so for example 2, let's have a go together. I'm going to write you out a question using what we've just talked about. Have a go. Pause the video and see what you think. 2x minus 3 equals 17. Have a go. So let's have a look at how we're going to solve this. So again, using your inverses, we want to now add a 3 to both sides of our equation because we've got that minus 3 in there. What are we left with? 2x equals 20. Again, we don't want to know what 2x's are, just what 1x is. So let's divide both sides by 2, and our missing number in our sum was 10. Hopefully you got the same as well. So for third example, slightly different this time, we've got a fraction involved. Now that obviously does complicate things a little bit, but because we've just done two-step linear equations, we follow the same method. So we've got x over 4 plus 1 equals 8. So we've taken a number, we've divided it by 4, we've added 1, and that's given us an answer of 8. So if we work backwards now, again using your inverses, first thing we're going to do is take away a 1 from both sides. What are we left with? X over 4 equals 7. And then the opposite of dividing by 4, we all know, is timesing by 4. So what do we get left with? X equals 28. So your missing number in your equation was 28. So remember guys, anytime you're solving two-step equations or any equation for that matter, remember, always use your inverses. Ask yourself, what is my inverse? Follow it through and remember your aim is to find what that missing number was in your sum. I hope you guys find that helpful. If there's anything else I can help you with, drop us a comment in the comment section and I'll be happy to get back to you. Well done guys.